So I have found these roof bars on Facebook Marketplace for £10. So I'm gonna go and pick those up. It's gonna be a good upgrade for my car Focus. It's gonna make it a lot more usable in terms of storage space. Now these are not Ford Focus specific roof bars. I don't really know what they are. The guy selling it doesn't know what they are. He says he tried it on a Renault Megane, but they were too big, too long, so he just doesn't want to bother with cutting them. But I don't mind, and it's only £10, so even if I have to throw it out, it's only £10. But I think I'm gonna make it work. I'll just figure something out. Now I do realize that I have to make sure that they are properly on there, because driving down the highway at 70 miles an hour, there's a good chance that an improperly fitted roof box, or even like a roof mounted solar panel or something like that, it can fly off. So I'm gonna I'll buy this, I'll try to fit it, but if it's really not working out, then I'm gonna just get rid of it. But I'm hoping it's gonna work, and for £10, it's worth it, I think. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go to the store first, and then I'm gonna go pick this thing up. I'm on my way to there right now. Alright, ladies and gents, let me show you what I bought. Here it is. Well, one of them. Let me get the other one. I don't know if it's gonna fit. I don't. Maybe not. But I'm guessing I can just kind of make it work somehow, like cut it or just mod it in some way. But it came with all the, the accessories, all the fittings, and it was cheap. So, oh well. I'm just gonna try to make it work. It's almost brand new. The guy told me, it's still in the bag. The guy told me he bought it for a Renault Megane. Tried it on, but it didn't fit, and he just didn't feel like cutting it. But he was trying to fit it to those rails that some cars have on the top, but mine doesn't. Mine just, it's basically like flat. So I'm hoping I can make it work somehow. Let me actually show you the fittings that it came with. So it came with these metal plates. I think they go in like the crack between the door and the frame of the car. It came with 4 of those, and then it also came with 4 of these rubber feet thingies, and then some screws. So I'm gonna try to put the camera down and then see what I can do. think it could potentially work because it's the right size. I just have to figure out the fitting. I think I need some sort of a knife because there's a thin rubber coating on top of the screw hole, so I need to cut that, I think. I did, in fact, I went on Google and checked how to do this, and I do actually have to cut that out. There's like a little rubber cover, you have to cut that out, and underneath there's like a screw hole with like a plastic little knob in it that you have to take out, and that exposes the screw hole. Okay, so one of them is on, but now I'm having trouble with this one because the little plastic thingy is stuck in there. So I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. I might have to drill it out. Finally done. One of the fittings didn't fit properly because in the front it's a little bit the distance between the fixing points is longer than in the back, so I had to drill a hole, which caused the key to not fit anymore, so I had to deal with that. It was a mess, but I managed to somehow figure it out. So now it's but you can still see that one, the little plastic covering is a little bit off, so I think I still need to kind of do something about that. This one, as you can see, it's a little bit, it doesn't fit properly. It's on, but still it just does not fit properly, as you can see. So I still have to figure that one out. But I think that's gonna be it for today. I am tired now, but it looks kind of cool. Now I can put on like a box or anything really. I still need to attach the things that come out and kind of hold on to the frame. I don't think it needs it. I think it's just a different way to fix, but still I want to add it. But I need to buy some screws for it because it only came with 4 and I use those for the fittings, so I still need to buy 4 new screws and then put those on as well, just in case, just to make it even more secure. But yeah, Old Faithful is ready for new adventures, and so am I.